welcome back to my channel. For those who know me and for those who don't, my name is Ashley Nicole, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you can be part of the Ashley family. I don't know what to call y'all. Y'all let me know down in the description box what y'all want me to call y'all. I don't know. I've been thinking like the Asters. I don't know, I'm really corny with that type of stuff, but today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to show you 3 of my top favorite curly hair routines I've been going to since I've been rocking this curly deep wave hair from Amazon. And if you guys want to know the details on this hair, me unboxing it, all of those links will be down below in the description box and in the card sections over me. So let's get right into this video. Now, of course, this is my main go-to hair, but this is not part of the 3. This could be part of my top 3, but I'm going to give y'all 3 extra styles that I like to go to. Also, I wanted to tell y'all these are very quick and my favorite go-tos, especially if I'm running out of time, I'm chasing a clock, ain't got time to do nothing, and I just got time to flip some hair around and just keep my baby hairs. So in this video, I'm going to keep my baby hairs also because they are kind of stuck because I use that black bottle of Got to Be Glued gel. So I keep this baby hair the same. It never goes away. Those are my top 3 and plus 1 from when I started this video. These are my 4, but still 3 go-to hairstyles when I'm on the go and can't move my baby hairs at all with this deep curly wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really do enjoy making these videos. I'm starting to fall back in love with doing hair because sorry to ramble, but at one point when I was selling hair and making wigs for people and stuff, I kind of fell out of love with it because people were, I don't know, I just really fell out of love with doing females' hair. And now that I can really show my talent and show what I'm capable of and what can I do, I'm actually starting to really enjoy it again. I might start back making wigs, not for people, but making wigs on the channel. Okay. But yeah, I'm starting to really fall back in love with doing hair, period. I just love doing hair, and y'all actually want to see my talent and see my work, so I'm gonna bring that back to y'all. Yeah. So comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know any other hair videos y'all want me to do, and I will see y'all in my next video.